In this video, I'm going to show you how to create color styles in Figma step by step, so you can keep your designs consistent, organized, and much easier to update later. Color styles are one of the best ways to build a reusable design system in Figma, because once you save a color as a style, you can apply it across multiple objects and change it in one place whenever your brand evolves. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Figma tips, UI design shortcuts, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and select the object that already has the color you want to save. This can be a shape, a frame, or even a text layer, as long as it uses the color you want to turn into a style. For example, if you have a button background, a heading color, or a brand accent color that you plan to use again, that is the perfect candidate for saving as a style. Once the object is selected, look over to the right-hand design panel. Now find the fill section. Next to the fill color, you'll see the color swatch. Click that swatch to open the color picker. This is where Figma lets you inspect, adjust, and save the exact color value you're using. If you already have the right color selected, you don't need to change anything yet. The main goal here is simply to access the color options for that fill. Once the color picker is open, look in the top right corner and click the plus icon. This is the button that starts the process of creating a new color style. After you click that, Figma will bring up the style creation options. From there, click the Style tab if it is not already selected. This tells Figma that you want to save this fill as a reusable style rather than just editing the object locally. Now it's time to name your style. Choose a clear, organized name that makes sense for your design system. For example, you might name it Primary Blue, Brand Green, or Button Background. You can also add an optional description if you want to give extra context, like use for primary buttons or main brand accent color. A description can be really helpful when you're working with a team or returning to a file later and trying to remember what the color was meant for. If you want to keep your styles even more organized, use a / in your naming convention. This lets you create folders inside your style list. For example, you can use names like primary/blue or brand 500. That simple slash helps group related colors together, which is especially useful when you have lots of styles in a larger design system. It keeps everything neat, structured, and easier to find. After you've named the style and added a description if you want one, click Create Style. Figma will save that color as a reusable style, and now you can apply it anywhere in your file. The next time you select another layer, you'll be able to pick that saved color style instead of manually setting the color again. That means faster workflows, better consistency, and much less repetitive work. And that's the full process for creating color styles in Figma. Just remember the flow. Select the object, open the color picker, click the plus icon, switch to the Style tab, name and describe the style, and then click Create Style. Once you get used to this, building and managing your design system becomes a lot easier. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Figma tutorials, design system tips, and practical UI workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.